Alright guys, so here we are, a 2018 Jeep Renegade, and I'm going to be replacing a fuse which is actually located underneath the dash. So this is actually my work vehicle, so don't mind the mess here. I got to clean this up too, but I actually blew the fuse to my 12 volt, basically cigarette lighter area here. So in order to access that, I need to go underneath, take out these little hex screws. There's 3 of them. This panel should come off. I believe there's one more screw inside here, so I'm going to pop this cover off and this should be able to replace the fuse. So I'm going to grab a couple of my tools here and we'll get started. Alright guys, so I do got some fuses that are way back in here. I gotta figure out exactly which one it is. And of course you may not have all this stuff in here. This is actually a GPS system they use for my car for work, so I'm not gonna mess with that as best as possible, but I like to get it kind of out of the way. So let me grab some extra tools here. We'll see if we can climb back in here and find out what fuse it is. And it says it's a 15 amp blue fuse, which kind of might be kind of difficult to tell. And of course my flashlight doesn't want to cooperate. But it's right under those red wires there. I can barely see it just to the right. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that. I'm gonna pop that out and see if that's the one that's blown. Alright guys, so I couldn't really tell. I did find the fuse. I can't really tell. A little burnt. 15 amp fuse. And actually wasn't located behind the red lines. There's actually more fuses on the other side as well. Right there. It's the very bottom fuse that was out. So let me go ahead and pop a new fuse in and see if I can get that working. Alright guys, so I got the fuse replaced. Of course I don't have the indicator light there. Let me see if I can get this thing working. Usually this thing will light up blue, but it's not lighting up blue. But I got my little power inverter here, and that light comes on, which indicates to me that it's working. So I think I'm in good shape. Now just to put everything back together and should be good to go. So just a quick recap. Realize that the light comes on and you turn the lights on, so we're in good shape. Everything's good. Let me put this thing back together and we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching this quick clip with Scotty Knows. Got this thing working. Work vehicle's back in order. Got to clean this thing up naturally, so don't mind that. Just a quick short video on how to replace that fuse for the 2018 Jeep Renegade. They are located underneath the dash. Very simple to get to. Hopefully you don't have a GPS monitoring unit that's going to be in your way to get to them. And of course you're going to need a longer set of pliers. So just kind of show you, that kind of helped me out, get it out. So just make sure you got the right fuse, you got the right tools, and you're good to go. And as far as getting it off, it is a T20 Hex bit to get that off, to get the bottom panel off. So appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Civic videos. Thank you guys.